friends, welcome to my channel Puchnas. So I'll be cleaning this cupboard of mine where I keep all my clothes today with you. Hope you'll get some motivation. So this is, as you can see, in a very bad shape. All I have been doing is dumping my clothes in this. So first I'll be cleaning out my bed so that I'll be able to keep all my clothes there. Just removing the stuff from my bed. Arranging the bed sheet, doing all the cleaning. I have to keep the door closed so that my son doesn't get in, and he is very naughty. He doesn't let me do anything. I am removing the clothes one by one, shelf by shelf, and every shelf that I clean out with the clothes, I wipe it off of all the dust or anything that is there. How in the world did I squeeze all this stuff in this small drawer? In this cupboard I keep all my clothes, Indian or Western, except for my saris and lehengas. So I'm cleaning them one by one. A huge pile. So all these days I've been just dumping my clothes in this cupboard. I like to do this cleaning every 5-6 months so that I can clean my cupboard, and it is good and healthy for me also. I have tried keeping the organizer bins and all that are available, but they don't work for me for these clothes because I like to wear a variety of clothes. A lot of Indian clothes, a lot of Western type of clothes, everything. So they don't work for me. So this is the huge pile of clothes. I love my clothes. Give a moment to these guys. So now my next step is separating the clothes into different categories that I have: skirts, kurtis, Western dresses, plazos, bottom wear, other jackets. So these different categories. This is such a beautiful print on this shrug. A beautiful unicorn. So all I am doing is folding the clothes properly and putting them in different piles. Hope you get this motivation and you clean out your cupboard. I will not be doing a decluttering because these are my recent clothes, just bought within 2-3 years. So yes, I am segregating them. Beautiful skirts. This is a beautiful maxi dress, but it got entangled. Does it happen with you also? I have been folding clothes since I don't know how many years now. Since my childhood, it was my duty to arrange all the clothes and wash everything and fold them. So I have a good practice of that. I fold them even standing, but I recommend you laying it flat on a flat surface and then folding them properly. All my clothes have finally been folded into all these piles. this side I have all the clothes that have to be repaired, some minor repair. These piles are for my kurtis, these three. Then my bottom wear, these are dupattas. Then these are my western dresses, all my shrugs, and this is a sari, and that you see is a pile of all my skirts. And my cupboard is all empty and clean. Looks nice. Now the only concern is how will I adjust all these clothes back into this cupboard. I am not even sure how I used to have these clothes inside. So I'm starting with the smallest pile of my shrugs and jackets. To fold a kurti, you should always lay it flat and fold from the two sides this way. Pressing it with your palms makes it look nicer and it looks good. This is an A-line kurti, so again I'm laying it flat and pressing it with my palms. A lot of time folding the clothes properly eliminates the need of ironing them, so I fold it into 1/3 this way. This is a beautiful anarkali, flared anarkali. I'll let you know how to fold it. So see, I'm laying it flat again, pressing it with my palms and folding it on side. Now after folding the sleeve, I'm folding it again. So this gives a straight line to this and it gets easier to fold it. The more closer to a rectangle a dress is, it is easier to store. I like to stack my clothes as per the category. How do you all categorize or store your clothes? I like to keep my bottoms and tops separately because I mix and match a lot of stuff. Even if it has come as a set, I'd like to make as many combinations as I can so that I can have full use of all the clothes. I am still wondering how am I going to fit in all these clothes in this cupboard. In this shelf I have kept some of my skirts, some of my party kurtis, some of my all of my chicken kurtis and some daily wear kurtis. I like to arrange my cupboard from bottom to top. I am hanging all my bottoms except for the leggings and putting it this way. So it has my plazos, my salwars, my patialas and all the non-legging bottoms. After stacking these leggings, I realized I was folding it wrong, so I decided to rearrange them and I folded it this way. So I laid down flat, pressed it with my palms and folded it into again thirds. This helps in saving space in the cupboard, and I can fit in more leggings in the same space. So guys, the final moment of reveal is here. This is how my cupboard looks now. I think I've done a good job. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you liked it, do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.